Hi, welcome to Stoelting. My name's Steve Christensen, and today we're going to go through the process of sanitizing and lubricating your Stoelting equipment. Now, the recommended sanitizer for the Stoelting line is the Stericyne Green Label Sanitizer and Cleaner. And the recommended lubricant is the Stericyne Total Blend Lubricant made exclusively for Stoelting. Now, today we're going to demonstrate this on this Stoelting F231 gravity-fed soft serve and frozen yogurt machine. The beauty of this product is it comes in a pre-portioned package, so you don't have the expense of over-lubricating or the concern about what damage will happen to your machine if you're under-lubricating. And the beauty also is with one product, you're replacing both the spline lubricant that used to go on the rear of the auger and the clear or Petrogel that was used on the front of the machine and the bushing. So overall, you're getting the benefits of a pre-packaged cost-saving mechanism and replacing two products with one. This product is designed to meet the exact specifications for complete lubricity of all Stoelting equipment. Total Blend Lubricant and Stericyne Green Label are conveniently packaged together for purchase through your local Stoelting distributor. When purchased together with Stericyne Green Label, total lubricant spend is reduced by almost 50%, which reduces total cleaning and sanitation costs. Eliminates food safety concerns of putting wrong lubricant in food contact position. Eliminates waste from overusing and the risks associated with underusing. So in closing, Total Blend Lubricant is a great example of the way Stoelting works to help you simplify the process of cleaning and sanitizing your equipment. Now, if you'd like more information on the Total Blend Lubricant or any of the other great Stoelting products, you can go to the Stoelting website, which is stoeltingfoodservice.com.